Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today is July the 8th, 2022, and we're looking at our festival strawberry throwing out a pretty solid runner. The reason that I'm doing this video today is because the knuckle has formed on the runner and this leaflet is popping up. What I'm going to do is place this knuckle into some soil of another pot. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate how to do that for you here today. Alright, so I've placed a brick down here to elevate it so that it's level enough to be able to set this knuckle right there into the soil slightly. So let me go ahead and do that. Now the knuckle is in the soil and I've taken some mulch and I'm just going to spread the mulch a little bit around so that way it can hold some moisture in, because that's what I really need, is the moisture to be kept right there at the soil. And I'll probably water this every day until it roots, and then we'll go from there. Alright, I've watered it. That's it for now. This runner will continue to run and we'll continue to do the same thing with the knuckles that are produced at the end here. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of cloning this festival strawberry. Have a great day.